In this video, I will show you how to delete your Cash App account. So all you have to do is simply open Cash App on your mobile device, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply go to your settings and then simply click on support, as you can see right here, and then you're gonna see something similar to this page. So you're gonna have to simply tap on account and settings and then simply tap on close your Cash App account. Then you're gonna see here this text, and as you can see, closing your Cash App account will disable your cash tag, prevent payments from being received, and sign you out of all session. To close your account, you need to cash out all funds. So make sure that you don't have any funds left in your Cash App account, and then you can simply tap on confirm, and that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.